Hello friends, hope you are all fine. Welcome to my video. In this video we discuss about sender email marketing tools. Now we see what are the sender email marketing tools. Come to my Google screen. This is my Google profile and here we search sender email marketing tools. Press enter. Here are some results about sender email marketing tools. What is the best email marketing tool? Top 6 best email marketing tools. Best of overall, MailChimp. Second is that ActiveCampaign. On third number we have MailerLite, HubPost, Mosen and Drip. Now the second question is that what is an email sender software? Today we discuss in this video about email sender tool and email sender software. Email software is a program that feature and functionally for using electronic mail. In most cases these programs are not actual email hosting technologies but rather email editors with different platforms email hosting technologies but rather email editor with editing and formats, layout, messaging functionally tools. What is email marketing tools? Email marketing tools are tools marketers use to create, send, test, optimize and report on their email campaigns. Now you see what are the email sender tools, and in this video you also know what are the email marketing tools. Email sender is also the tool for email marketing. Now we see what are the email marketing tools. I already open my tab sender. This is an email marketing tool, email sender tool. Here we see what is this. Build the bridge between your email list and revenue. Sender improves you to quickly to easily keep in touch with your consumers, customers and grow your business while spending much less. Here you can see Hager, Honeywell, Locate, Quick Loans. Easily create beautiful email newsletters. Sender lets you create and send beautiful branded email. Choose from our library or professionally designed template or coding required. Drag and drop builder, free template gallery, responsive emails, custom HTML editor. You shall never have to worry about your email being broken or not readable on different devices. If you need to code a completely custom email template, it's a breeze to go. That is with our HTML. Start building great emails. The perfect email tool for e-commerce is the sender email tool, which we use as a email sender tool. Benefits of email sender tools are increased revenue with automate abundant cart emails, pinpoint the right subscribers with segmentations, easily add product to your newsletter with product wizard, quickly grow your audience with beautiful pop-ups and forms, easy integration with tools you use for your business. I love the sport aspect. I have repeatedly received quick, helpful and outstanding service. Also newsletters display quickly in emails. Like this we have many options on email sender tool. Now we see that how to log into email sender tool. There is the option to log in, you can see on your screen. We click on this. It may take some time. Email sender tool is the best tool to increase revenue. In here we put our Gmail password, 11 free email marketing tools to save your time and money. Marketing trends and channels evolve over time. While some trends come and go quickly, one of the channels that has remained more or less the same is email. In fact, email continue to be the top channel of content marketing with both B2C and B2B marketers. 87% of B2B marketers and 77% of B2C marketers use it to nurture their audience. It can even help you amplify your other marketing channels such as social with the ads and many more. HubSpot email marketing. HubSpot probably best known for their marketing automation platform recently launched Sender. We discussed about Sender in the start of video. Third is the Sendinable. Fourth is the Omnist, SendPlus, Benchmark email, MailChimp. MailChimp is also a leader in email marketing tool that you have probably overheard. MailChimp. MailChimp is a leader in email marketing tools that you have probably heard of. Their free plan provided you with basic email marketing features such as MailerLite, MailJet, Motion, and Email Octopus. Bottom line, most of these free email marketing tools come with robots, robust features even without the need to upgrade to paid plans. Small businesses and marketers, even if you need to upgrade to accommodate your business need, you shall find at many of the paid email marketing tools to build or grow your business, build and grow stronger relationship on social. These are all the free sites which we use as email sender tool. You can also use these sites for free. What is the bulk email sender? A bulk email sender is an email service or email software that is used by online business to send marketing, promotion, or educational emails in mass. The send bulk emails. There are four types of email marketing. Below we have outlined the four types of popular email marketing campaigns, in which first is the newsletter. On second number we have acquisition emails, retention emails, and promotional emails. There are two main types of email: client based email and buyer based email. What is actionable email? Actionable messages enable organization to create email that allow for specific engagement. Actionable messenger enable organization to create email that allow for specific engagement to be performed without leaving the inbox. They are typically used for internal communications and could enable Outlook user to approve or decline an expense request, set the due date of at risk. What is the parts of an email? These are the four essential parts of an email. The subject line, arguably the most important component of the email. The subject line is the deciding factor in whether your message is read or delete. The salutation, the start of email, sets the tone for the main body. The bit in the middle. Hope you like this video. In this video, we describe all the detail about email marketing tools and email sender tools, which are crucial to grow your business on digital on digital scale with email marketing and different social media platforms. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. We shall meet in our next video. Goodbye.